I would say what the meaning of your life is what you make it. What you want your life to be. Nobody can decide what you will do except for you. You have control over yourself. It may be predestined, but you can change that destiny. All the same, maybe destiny's just telling you. Maybe you just know it, and that's what destiny is. Destiny is a guess of what you know, what it knows about you, and what it knows you would do. Again, I might be wrong, and destiny could be totally in control of you, or there could be no such thing. It could just be your opinion at the time, and you could change that, and